Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Myntri beripej ke pule putih ke Sorkar Jela ubah lakmen rembui. Mentah kesengi ke sitarik nailur arjar puai. Ula Aiti ke citi Sanction letar. Syaki Nonghikai jong ka Jaiñtia Eastern College. Kebadan hakli riat. East Jaiñtia Hill District. Na kebentah makin yo no ia kutulop bapura. Na ke Sorkar Jela lengba ka People's College Scheme. Ya kene ke citi. La Aiti hake jengelang kebelalong ha hall jong ka college. Hake jengidon lang. Myntri ketenat social welfare, uba kermen shella, MLA kesutengah saipung, uba shitlang pale, deputy commissioner ke East Jaiñtia Hills District, uba I Karmalki, uba Arab Thap, uba dari education sekretari ke Sorkar Jela, ki officer Sorkar, ki Nonghikai, bat ki baca khot ngubha.
Been recruited by Jaiñtia Eastern College, period, to the college sanction post prior to 31st 12 2019 are hereby approved with the effect of 1st September 2021 in the pay scale of the state pay matrix as indicated in each of the following as admissible under the government rules. He shall be absorbed under the government sanction post at the lowest of the scale of pay. She will be brought under NPS from the date of his/her appointment, and the service book are to be opened from the date of being absorbed in the government sanction post. The governing body shall abide to the clause. So the post sanction is 1 for principal in the level 18 and 26 posts in the level 15 for lecturer and 1 post library assistant in level 5, UDA in level 8 and 2 in level 1. Thank you.
Lambang jing yarap yong sar katte dang en sudli ki school building ki idau yo ai ki wa gos hado lebhau nyau hado so lak the sudli santli dau yo East Jaiñtia Hills te gani do hard work yong sar katte na purdi ki khinde dali ki bada pan Garo Hills le dali Khasi Hills le Jaiñtia Hills le dali kini to osang men bau ong na out of night mo khinde dali artli to ne usar da announce ko khwat yong ngai pi Waka Jaiñtia Eastern College man waka wina ka wayo nong kong. Te isaw kumeni but saw so wrong isar hado kate yakini kiching yarap yung pi. But ngai scheme yo le. Wadai por si por pi daw yarap chuchu pi I hakiching kam yung I.
I come purposely to this college. Number 1, to fulfill the aspiration of the people of Jaiñtia Eastern, of the East Jaiñtia district, to have the college sponsored by the government. Number 2, to recognize the hard work of the teachers of this college by absorbing them into the government People's College scheme, Grant Aid scheme. Number 3, to urge, which is very important, to urge upon the governing body, the teachers, let us rededicate ourselves to work more for upliftment of the education in the district. If East Jaiñtia prosper, Meghalaya prosper. If Meghalaya prosper, the India prosper. If India prosper, the universe which we live, the world we live, will prosper. Nothing is small, everything is big. So today is a big day. Now Talang College is always 65%. But that also, the students which don't get admission somewhere, they come to the rural college. But the dedication of the teachers and the hard working of the children, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. So I urge the parent, government of Meghalaya have trust in this college. Government of Meghalaya have trust in this governing body. Government of Meghalaya have trust in you, the teachers, the principal, that you will take the education forward. Parent, student of Jaiñtia, of East Jaiñtia Hills, come forward. Lend your helping hand by joining this college. I'm sure, under the able leadership of the principal of the college, you will blossom into a good and successful student. The teaching committee, I know, that about 35 or 38 teaching and non-teaching staff of this college, which only 27 teaching staff and 4 teaching staff will be observed through this scheme. What I request you, that work hard. Your labor, your hard working will at someday God will recognize your hard working, and then who knows, something more could be done. Now, our youth are in your hand. We will give full salary to you. I hope and I really wish and I urge upon you, my dear teachers, governing body, work hard. People talk about many colleges in Shillong. Remember, college in rural area is not far behind in giving a quality education. Scholarship now from 10-15,000 till 35,000 depend upon the category of or the group. And we will do more. Not only for higher education. For higher education we have a plan, a commitment to the people that Shillong Engineering College, if we get the permission from AICTE, we will start next year. College of Architecture and Planning in Tura, we will start next year. Patharkhma College, we will start next year. Ramjan College will start next year. We will do more. Yes, but not enough. We have to do more. And for the school education, first time in the history of Meghalaya, that at one go, we spend 109 crore for the basic infrastructure, where more than 200 schools will be benefit for schools building. Like here in the district, Rambai Secondary School and some government LP school. And last year also, we do, and we will do more. And when we talk about the quality education, we need trained teachers. We need quality teachers. That's why more than 1,000 teachers, assistant teachers LP school, we have appointed this year. And today, last few days, there is a circulation in the media that education in Meghalaya is poor. It's very bad. Because this year, none of the teachers in the state get the national award. Whom to blame? Now, a selection of national awardee, it can be self-selected. From the 1st of June till 19th of July, if I remember correctly, this year, application has been floated for the people to apply, and the jury will shortlist, and then interview is conducted. And unfortunately, that none from the state of Meghalaya got the national award. If we try to improve a quality education by appointing the teachers, the quality faculty, people will criticize us. But you know, education now, it is a very, very dynamic. Teachers, you have to upgrade yourself. Teachers, you have to reinvent yourself. So you will never fail your duty to give a true education to your student. And many years ago, there are 200, 300 national awardee in a year. This year, only 44. And you know, many states have missed out. Uttarakhand, where is Dun School, Welham School, or all these schools, not a single one. But this is open our eye that spoon feeding has gone. We have to work hard. Because now our system is very open. Self-nomination. I can apply. Any teachers who have teaching more than 15 years, he can apply. And the jury will select and shortlist it and then do the interview. So, this is an eye-opener for us in the teaching committee for the college. Now we have seen that from next year, as per the policy of the government, only doctorate could be teach next year. I don't remember exactly. Many government come and go. Many government promise, but promise left unfulfilled. But I'm very glad that education department, we have, under the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, with the hard working of my officers, led by Additional Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, Secretary Ambrose H. Marat IAS, Bartilang Rabhab IAS, and also my Additional Director who just retired yesterday, Jaiñtia. For more than 3 years, we try to work to fulfill what we have promised to the people. We have seen that for the true development, we have to reach to every corner of the state. We cannot concentrate only in Shillong. We cannot concentrate only in Jawai. We cannot concentrate only in Turai. We need to reach more, so that the sense of belonging of the people is there. I'm really proud to say that today the people of East Jaiñtia district will truly feel that the government is there, the government will be there, and we will do more. This is just the beginning. Many more will come. We need the cooperation. We need the working together of all the stakeholders. It is very easy for us to sanction 10 crore for East Jaiñtia Eastern College to construct its infrastructure. It is a one-time investment. Today, from this month, the government of Meghalaya will spend approximately 2 crore per year for this college. It is not a very easy, and it is continuing, and the expenditure will be. But as the government, which truly believe, until and unless we address the accessibility, until and unless we address the quality education, or student or young generation will lose out.